Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to run Doom on DOSBox. First, you'll need to download and install the latest version of DOSBox from its official website. Next, gather your Doom game files, which typically include a WAD file and the main executable. Finally, create a dedicated folder on your computer's hard drive to store both DOSBox and your Doom game files for easy access. Now open DOSBox. You'll use the mount command to assign a drive letter to your Doom game folder. For example, type mountcc/Doom. Then, change into that directory by typing C and pressing Enter, followed by CD Doom. This ensures DOSBox can find all your game files easily. With your drive mounted and directory set, it's time to launch the game. Simply type the Doom executable file name, usually Doom, exe or Doom2, exe, and press Enter. If necessary, you can adjust sound and graphics settings through Doom's built-in setup utility. Then, prepare to immerse yourself in the iconic world of Doom. For the best experience, you might want to increase DOSBox cycles for smoother gameplay. Try Cycles Max or Cycles Auto. You can also configure a joystick or gamepad for a more immersive control scheme. If you encounter any issues, consult the DOSBox README file for advanced configuration options and helpful troubleshooting tips. Happy demon slaying!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.